So here on screen we can see that the system of linear equation, as far as the system of linear equations are concerned, here we have actual system of linear equations are being categorized into the two. So one it is non-homogeneous linear equation, and another one is a homogeneous linear equation. Although we have utilized in the many sessions is this one, homogeneous and the non-homogeneous problem. And whenever we are saying that the system of linear equation is not homogeneous, what exactly this means? Whenever we are saying the system of linear equations is homogeneous in nature, let us categorize this one first. So as for the system of linear equations, when you are taking it as non-homogeneous, when you are stating it as a non-homogeneous, so that means that is consistent always. That means there is one solution existing on this particular non-homogeneous solution, and that can be a trivial solution or that can be a non-trivial solution. That can be a trivial solution or that can be a non-trivial solution. Whereas the system of linear equation, if it is non-homogeneous in nature, so that may be ended up with a finite or infinite values in that one, or it may be end up with an inconsistent. So that means no solution may also be exist when you are stating that system of equations is a non-homogeneous. And in case of non-homogeneous solution, when it is consistent, so it may have finite solution or it may have even infinite solutions. It may have finite solution or it may have even infinite solutions in that. So this is all about the system of linear equation when you are talking about. So let us see even in the derivations. So what is the definitions? What exactly the system consistent and the inconsistent terms mean exactly is. So when you are saying that system of linear equation has no solution, then it is called inconsistent. The system of linear equation has at least one solution, then it is called consistent. When you are saying it is a homogeneous system of equations, so that means when you are saying it is a system of equation is a homogeneous of equation, so that means the constant term of the linear equation is equal to 0. So the simple example of the homogeneous and non-homogeneous is Ax is equal to B. So when your equation is going to 0, so that means in case if your B is equal to 0, that is homogeneous in nature. If same equation is being taken on to the other side, Ax is equal to B, where B is not equal to 0, so that is non-homogeneous in nature. This is an example for the homogeneous equation and this is an example for the non-homogeneous equation. Homogeneous and non-homogeneous equation. This is an example for the homogeneous and the non-homogeneous. Simple to understand that it is Ax is equal to B and B is equal to 0. And Ax is equal to B where B is not equal to 0. That is a non-homogeneous in nature. Right. So every homogeneous system equation has a common solution, that is 0. So that is Ax is equal to B. So because they have the common solution for all the variables, which is 0. And the solution is called trivial solution. If there are other solutions, then it is called as a non-trivial solution. If there are other equations, then it is called as a non-trivial solution. Okay. So this is what all about the equation, that is system of linear equations are being categorized as homogeneous, non-homogeneous, trivial. Whenever we are using these words, should be familiar. So what exactly these definitions are stating. Might be in your previous studies you have already covered this all, but in order to just revise those concepts again, I have brought up those definitions, and here on screen also I have annotated it for you all. So you can take it from these definitions from here onwards. Whenever we are saying it is consistent, homogeneous, non-homogeneous equations, what they are all exactly. Okay. So that's all about what exactly the system of linear equations and the non-linear equations. System of linear equations and the non-linear